Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm currently sitting on the floor here in front of a window so we can get some natural sunlight in, but I'm going to be testing my makeup tutorial, my summer makeup tutorial, my summer makeup look in the pool today to see if it is waterproof, if it's really like summer resistant. So I have all my makeup here in front of me. If you guys don't know, I am in California right now, so I thought it'd be a perfect time to film this video and get ready at the same time. I actually haven't worn makeup the whole time I'm here, just because we go to like the beach every day and there's no need, but today I thought I'd do a little bit of a summer makeup routine. I do this look all the time for the summer. I think it's really good. It's like sweat proof, and I do find it is pretty waterproof. Not all the products I'm using today are waterproof. I know like most people do this type of video with full waterproof makeup, but I thought it'd be kind of different to test out my actual summer makeup routine rather than testing out products that I never use just for the sake that they're waterproof. So I'm gonna test out like my summer makeup routine and really put it to the test. I'm gonna start off with primer. I'm gonna use the Milani Prime Protect SPF 30 face primer. Picked this up yesterday actually at Target, and I've loved Milani primers in the past, so I thought this was awesome because it had SPF 30. So it's a great face primer to use in the summer. So I'm just gonna take a bit of this and prime my skin. And then I'm also going to apply this L'Oreal Infallible Matte Look Primer. This helps keep my makeup in place, keep it matte all day, and it's perfect for summer. Alright, next I'm going to do my brows. Don't want to apply too much, but the NYX Micro Brow, I find that it stays on quite well. And for coverage today, I'm not going to apply a lot. I'm going to apply like the latest layer of foundation in the summer. That's really like what I like to do. So I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This might be a little bit light for me now, but I'm going to apply the lightest, like the smallest amount. Oh yeah, this is going to be a little light. That's okay. I have tanned while I'm here, so. This is really all I'm going to do for foundation, and then I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 330, and I'm still using this Real Techniques foundation brush. It blends out everything really nicely. I'm going to put a little bit of this under my eyes, not too much. There on my nose, T-zone, and cover up any spots. So I'm just really spot concealing with this, not applying too much. For powder, I'm just going to take my Coty Airspun Extra Coverage Translucent Powder. This is really good at setting everything down in place. Alright, so then to finish off the face, I'm going to use some bronzer. I'm just going to use my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, and I'm really going to bronze up the skin today since I'm more tan now, so I'm really going to bronze everything up. Right, and then for blush, I'm going to apply quite a bit too. I like to have like a more rosy look in the summer, so I'm going to take this corally blush. This is the Milani Luminoso blush, one of my favorites for the summer because it has a beautiful sheen to it. Apply it to the cheeks. A bit on the nose. And last but not least, for some highlighter, I'm gonna take my amrezy highlighter from Anastasia, and I love, like, because I did everything so matte on the face, I really like loading up on the highlighter to kind of compensate for that and still give me some of that glow. And then I'm also gonna highlight my inner corners and my brow bone real quick. So now for the eye makeup, I want to do something, again, super like summery and everything like that. We are going full glam today because we're really trying to put this to the test. So I'm going to go in with the shade Spice is Nice from this Gingerbread palette. I actually really like this palette for summer. And I'm going to start with this shade right in my crease. Then I'm going to take more of that shade and kind of bring it down and wing it back out, as you guys can see there. So I'm really just working the shade into the crease and then bringing it down to blend into the outer corner. And then I'm going to take a bit of Figgy Pudding. It's this beautiful purple shade. And I'm going to press this on the outer corner. And a pop of purple in this look too. I'm going to take Reindeer Paws. It's funny because this is like a winter palette, but I feel like you can kind of use this all year round. Like, it has some really pretty bright shades in here. And then for the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with this Milani Hypnotic Lights Holographic Eye Topper in the shade 03 Beaming Light. It's like a purpley iridescent shade. I feel like it'll complement this orange really, really nicely. So I'm going to create like a half halo eye with this, placing it on my lid and then turning the applicator over to carve out the crease. And then going to about halfway and then tapping it out in the middle to blend it to the rest of the eye look. I'm going to take Spices Nice and buff it onto the whole lower lash line and then connect it to the top. And then I'm going to take Figgy Pudding and add it to the outer corner right there. So I'm going to go replicate this eye look on the other eye, and I'll be right back to finish off this makeup look. Alright guys, so both eyes are done now, like the eyeshadow at least. So now I'm going to go in with some mascara. This is the Voluminous X Fiber mascara. And the trick with this one is to not use too much, because if you use too much, then obviously it's going to run and everything. So I'm going to start with the step 1 and really build this one on my lashes. Like, brush it through. This will really build the length of your lashes. And then I'm going to go with step 1 a little bit on the bottom as well. And then I'm going to take step 2 from the other side and apply this just the top again, not too much. The trick with this look is minimal mascara. In the summer, not just because I'm going to be jumping into a pool, but in the summer usually I don't like to apply too much mascara, just because then it's just going to like smear throughout the day. This one's really good at not smearing, so you can apply a bit more, but I still don't like to apply too much in the summer. I'm going to finish off the lips. I use this lip liner from Rimmel in the shade Cappuccino. I'm going to apply this to my lips. And then I'm going to take Milani Amore Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 10 Adorable. And then I'm going to apply this Buxom, what is this called? Full On Lip Cream in the shade Dolly. This is a really like sticky, not sticky, like doesn't feel sticky on the lips, but it is a thicker lip gloss. It is especially good in the summer because it kind of lasts longer. And then of course we have to set this whole look in, so I'm going to use some setting spray. This is the Milani Make It Last Charcoal Setting Spray. This is hands down the best setting spray I found for the summer. It locks in your makeup. It makes your makeup like not powdery, like it kind of melts everything in, but it keeps your makeup matte. So it's not like a dewy setting spray. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. I love this so, so much. Okay, guys, so this is the finished makeup look. As you can see, a very glam, very summery with some pops of colors, but still like a nice natural glam, something I do like on a regular basis in the summer for sure. You guys have seen me use these products before and everything like that, so this is definitely a regular summer makeup tutorial for me, one that I would wear if I want something to last all day, everything like that. So now it's time to go see if this look can really resist summer, the true test of summer, by going straight into a pool. So I'll meet you guys down there. Alright guys, so I'm outside at the pool right now. I have my swimsuit under this, so I'm gonna change and then we're gonna test it out. Alright guys, this is the makeup before, and now we're gonna 1, 2, 3.
That was pathetic.
What?
That was a pathetic dive.
What?
That was horrible.
Pathetic. Okay, come over here.
Didn't work.
What?
It's dripping on one side.
On what side? This side? Yeah. What about everything else? Just the mascara's dripping?
Yeah. Everything else looks fine.
Let's see. I can still feel my lip gloss on, so that's a good sign. Here is what my makeup looks after. I'll look for myself in the mirror in a second, but I want to show you guys first. It honestly looks pretty good. I'm in the sun right now. Like, my highlight's still there. I'm honestly really impressed. Not too bad, honestly. The lipstick is fully on. Like, lip gloss, lipstick, everything is still there. The eyeshadow is literally perfect. Everything's good. Nick said it was like dripping. I don't really see, like, the mascara's clumping together a little bit, but not too bad. My face makeup's fine. Maybe breaking a little bit, yeah, on my nose. When I went in, the impact was just a lot, but everything else is fine. My eyebrows are still there, even my brow highlight. My highlight here, my blush contour is still there. I feel like if I went swimming for a little longer, it would start going away, but the fact that my eyeshadow is literally almost seamless and my lip gloss and lipstick is perfect, I'm pretty impressed. So I'd say this summer makeup routine is pretty good. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I'm actually super impressed with this glam makeup look. It held up so nicely. So if you're looking for a new summer glam makeup look that you can try out that will really resist the summer heat and everything like that, give this one a go. Like, obviously it works, and if you're not going in the pool, then obviously it will last through the sweat and heat of the day for sure. But even if you are getting in the pool, or you know, going swimming in the ocean or anything like that, or having a day at the lake, this makeup look will really work. Obviously you can make it even better with more waterproof products. Like, I didn't even use a waterproof mascara, I just used my regular one and it worked out fine. That voluminous mascara is honestly amazing. But if you guys want a more like secure version of this makeup look, you know, go to waterproof mascara and stuff like that. But I'd say this turned out pretty good. I'm honestly really impressed with the results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different, but it was super fun for me to film. If you want to see more test out videos like this, let me know down below in the comments. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.